guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm be unboxing my Simply Earth. They are 100% all natural oils, and they always come with like a fun little recipe every month, and that is what I get most excited about. So this is what the inside of the box looks like. It has your 4 oils, and it has your little necessities on the side of what you'll be making. This month I am going to be making some soap. So it comes with the aloe glycerin soap base, this little thing right here, and then this little silicone square to make your soap. And then the essential oils they have is, one is called Happy Joy, Bay, Lemongrass, and Cajeput. And I know that's how you say it because I had to look it up.
Cajeput.
I don't know if you heard that, but I'm saying that 100% right. So this one right here, I was looking it up because I've never heard of it, and this has the most potent smell ever. So if you are sick and can't breathe and you feel like you're dying, this is what I would use. It literally smells like an essential oil of Vicks Vapor Rub, and it is probably more potent than Vicks, but I don't know, I like the smell of that. And it also kind of, yeah, it just smells like Vicks in a bottle. So I would probably just sit here and just rub it all over myself if I couldn't breathe. But anyways, it also comes with little cards on how you can use the oils. I think that's super cool. So they have like a compress. They also have a roll-on, and if you guys watch my last Simply Earth, if you get the bonus box, you get a ton of stuff. So they give you like roller balls and like all sorts of things like that. I will leave that link in the description box if you guys want to check it out. And I also have a coupon code, so I will leave that in the description box and the links to Simply Earth if you guys do want to check this out. But anyways, they have the Happy Joy roll-on, Happy Joy face soap, flowers and spice diffuser blend, and then there is also flower spice and something nice soap, and sugar scrub soap bar. So this one you actually just need to have sugar. I think I kind of want to make this one, and I am going to show you guys how I'm going to make this as well. The only thing that this box does not come with is just the sugar, and I always have sugar on hand. So I think I want to do this one, and the Happy Joy roll-on. You just need 6 drops of Happy Joy essential oil, 10 milliliters of almond oil, and a roll-on bottle. Like I said, that bonus box had like the almond oil, had coconut oil in like a, I'm not gonna say a stick, but like the harder coconut oil. And then they had like the liquid coconut oil. So anyways, I have all that on hand. And then some of this you just need water. Some of this you need a toothpick or a small toy or something like that. So I'm thinking you just put like a toy in your soap with this one, which I guess that could be super fun if you have kids or something, which I do have kids, but I kind of think I would have more use if I did like a sugar scrub one. So anyways, it comes with that. It also comes with like stickers so you can label everything. I think that's really cool too. Yeah, you guys, that's it for my little box. And now I'm gonna make the soap. Like I said, links in the description box if you guys want to check this out. I love this box. This box is only $39.99 a month, and this is the recipe box. So these are like one of my favorite things I look forward to every single month. I think they're really cool, and it's kind of nice to like start my like oil collection. I've already have quite a few, but it's kind of nice having good essential oils. And also 13% of their proceeds do go to end human trafficking. So what is not to love about this company? But anyways, let's make some soap. So this was super easy making soap. Like I said, I just used sugar, the soap base, the little silicone tray, and the Happy Joy and the Bay essential oil. The Bay essential oil is really, really strong, but when you mix them together, it's almost like a sweet lemony smell or like a sweet orange smell. I think it smelled amazing mixing the two together. So I think this would be even nice to like diffuse together. But this was really easy if you guys have made soap. I just melted the little soap base, and then I added 2 tablespoons of sugar and a few drops of each of the oils, and then I reheated it in the microwave and then added it to my little silicone. Super easy. These are super fun little recipes. But if you guys like this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you guys are new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. And then, like I said, links in the description box below so you can check out Simply Earth along with my awesome coupon code. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye!